Small businesses are the backbone of our economy, but with limited staff and resources, they're especially vulnerable to disruptions like cyber attacks or natural disasters. A strong disaster recovery plan helps keep operations running and protects your data, customers, and bottom line. Imagine your business coming to a halt due to an unexpected cyber attack or natural disaster. These events can strike without warning, causing significant revenue loss and reputational damage. Are you prepared for the unforeseen? Even a brief downtime can lead to missed opportunities and a tarnished reputation. A disaster recovery plan isn't just helpful, it's essential for survival. Let's explore why you need one. Disaster recovery goes beyond data backup. It's about restoring entire systems to ensure business continuity. Real-world disruptions like ransomware attacks highlight the need for a comprehensive plan. Learn how disaster recovery ensures your business remains operational, even in the face of cyber threats or natural disasters. It's your safety net in a crisis. Start by identifying potential threats through risk assessment and impact analysis. This helps prioritize recovery efforts and allocate resources effectively. Set clear recovery time objectives (RTOs) and recovery point objectives (RPOs). Implement robust data backup strategies using on-prem, cloud, or hybrid solutions. Establish clear communication protocols to keep stakeholders informed during a crisis. Designate spokespersons and set up emergency contact lists to maintain trust. Effective communication manages expectations and ensures everyone is on the same page. It's crucial for maintaining confidence during challenging times. Regularly test your disaster recovery plan through drills and simulations. This helps identify weaknesses and areas for improvement. Update your plan to incorporate new technologies and lessons learned. Ensure your plan is always ready for any crisis. Explore the pros and cons of in-house and managed disaster recovery solutions. Managed services offer expert support, cost efficiency, and scalability. For most small businesses, managed services are the better choice. They provide expert-level planning and ongoing monitoring without the need for an expensive in-house system. Uprite specializes in small business disaster recovery and business continuity. We offer affordable, scalable solutions with 24/7 monitoring and support. Partner with us to ensure your business is always prepared and protected. Our team offers personalized support and technical expertise. Recap: we've explored the unseen threats to your business and the importance of a disaster recovery plan. By partnering with Uprite, you'll ensure business continuity and resilience. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Contact Uprite Services today to begin crafting a disaster recovery plan tailored to your business needs. Let's secure your future together.